Does this ever happen to you? You want to 3D print a spectacular sword, but your printer just isn't large enough? It's time to say goodbye to the days of gluing together short prints. We introduce to you the Purple Printer. The Purple Printer is a state-of-the-art infinite Z-axis printer. While 3D printing technology has been around for a long time and has become commonplace in homes and businesses alike, infinite Z-axis printing is still a developing technology. How is this printer different from a standard printer? I'm glad you asked. Using a conveyor belt and angled hot end, the Purple Printer is able to produce 3D prints that are theoretically infinitely long. With the Purple Printer, the possibilities are infinite. But don't go anywhere yet because there's more. The Purple Printer also makes batch printing easy. Just set up the printer, leave a bin to catch the prints, and let the printer do the work for you. What else do you need to know about this printer? The Purple Printer comes with an integrated stand that allows the printer to rest in both a horizontal and vertical position for added printing versatility. It includes a removable polycarbonate enclosure, which is ideal for printing materials such as ABS that require a constant ambient temperature. It also features a filament runout sensor, an E3D Hemera extruder, a Mosquito Magnum Plus hot end, and a Raspberry Pi controller. With the Clipper firmware loading G-code files is a breeze. Furthermore, with this printer, you have the option to load files and monitor prints remotely over a local network. This printer was proudly designed and built by Team Superior Printing Systems, or Team SPS. This team, composed of 5 students with various engineering backgrounds, was born at Lake Superior State University as a 2022 to 2023 senior project team. Lake Superior State University is a public 4-year university located in Upper Michigan. The university is well renowned for their hands-on engineering program that prepares students for industry jobs. Team SPS, in conjunction with Lake Superior State University, was tasked by JR Automation with building the printer just presented. JR Automation is a leading global provider of automated manufacturing and robotic technology integration solutions. They are a part of the Hitachi Group and are located in Auburn Hills, Michigan. The printer that SPS designed and built for JR Automation will add to their current 3D printing capabilities and will be used for prototyping and production printing. Team SPS would like to thank both Lake Superior State University and JR Automation for the hands-on engineering experience that they have provided to us.